So today we're here to recognize a member of the EVS team who has received a splash. I think in the last 6 months, it's really been my privilege to hear a lot of positive things from and about EVS, from our Joint Commission survey, and how well the surveyors found our organization to be clean, how they found our staff interacted so positively with our patients, and as well as this splash. So it's entitled "The Sharp Thinking and Quick Action Save the Day." Debra Smith, this is your life.
Yeah.
Come on up. Okay. You can bring your drink too. How you doing today?
I'm good, I guess.
You're good, I guess?
Embarrassed.
Never be embarrassed for doing great things. At Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center, patient safety and the overall patient experience is everyone's job regardless of title. Recently, Debra Smith, environmental services technician, was working in a patient room, cleaning up and ensuring the space was in order. As she worked, she was chatting with the patient through the restroom door. After a few minutes, the patient stopped responding, and Debra could hear a strange noise coming from the restroom. Fearing the patient was in distress, Debra immediately went to the nurse's station and alerted staff. Nurse and staff found the patient unresponsive on the restroom floor and began administering life-saving treatment right away. Thanks to Debra's quick thinking and the actions of those on the unit, the patient awoke and was responsive following the incident, suffering no lasting effects. For her sharp thinking and quick action in a time of crisis, Debra has earned the Splash Award, Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center's highest honor. The moral of the story? The moral of the story, those who are happiest are those who do most for others. Booker T. Washington. And it's not just EVS recognizing you today, it's not just the whole organization, but it's the nursing staff that was able to care for that patient based on your quick thinking, and also recognizes your contribution to that unit. You also get some goodies, and so now bringing up the goodies. First of all, you get this attractive yet functional mug, so you can fill it up before you leave. Okay, and you get a splash pin. And so I don't know the total number of people who have splash pins, but it's a cool group to hang with.